We're in Tahoe and we just stopped at this pizza right here. It's pretty good. I like the trees back there. And from here we're about to go to the cabin. We just got here right now. Wonder what's this for. That's probably to get something out from this box. What is this for? Dude, you can't see nothing out here right now. It's like all darkness over here. I'm gonna go through the back over here. Let's see how it is. It is cold out here. Looks like these are the stairs to get up. I'm thinking there's some chairs right there. Should I climb just to see? Let's see what's up here. It's locked as well. Time to go back down. Garage.
Well, we arrived to Tahoe around 9 o'clock, but we had reservations at this eatery, so we stopped there before we came to the rental place there. We were supposed to get in, but I can't seem to find the check-in instructions.
This is how it looks from the inside. The only reason why I'm talking this slow is because everybody is asleep right now. But this is pretty much how it looks. Pretty good, it's not bad. Yeah. Alright, so we're just walking on the streets. Right now, checking every house out. Alright, since yesterday we got here at night, there wasn't enough time to do a tour. I'll do a small tour right now. So this is the living room. The TV's over there. What the kitchen looks like. Very nice, not bad. Not bad. There's only one bed here. Somebody could sleep right there if they wanted to. Now let's check the bathroom that it has. Where's the light on? There you go. You can see much better. Here's this. Shower's right there. Pretty decent. You got your mirror right here. You got your other restroom up here. And here's this room right here. It's a little messy right now, but there's the stairs up to the attic. I wonder what's in there. I'm guessing there's another one right here. Better view. There you go. Lock's right there. It's better with the light on so I can get some kind of lighting in here. Again, the attic's up there. There's some bunk beds right here. There's another bed right here. And another one right here. So I'm saying like around 4 people could sleep in here. Alright, so this is how the outside area looks like. We're just gonna walk around a little bit. Let's see how, just to check it out. This is like the patio, I'm guessing, right here. It's pretty nice. The floor creaks every time you walk. There's a gas grill right here. Pretty clean. We might use it later. So let's see what's back here. Probably surrounded by more trees anyways. This is the garage right here. Dude, it's like this house doesn't even have a backyard. It's like all the other houses are the backyard. I mean, some houses do have a backyard, but not this one. Your small well. Anything in there? Nah, it's just like for house decoration, I'm guessing. Pretty good. Looks like the neighborhood is quiet right now, that we'll see about later on. Now, here's this sign right here in front of the house. Don't know if that's too accurate. And this is how the road looks out here. Looks like one of those old school horror movies that I'm always watching. You see all those little flying things in the air, those whatever they are. And we're out of here. Don't even know if it's straight or not. That was cold. I can't even touch the floor. Oh, it's colder now. I like your hair.